Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas! I'm putting up the Christmas tree. I've been literally asking my husband if I can put the Christmas tree up since like September. Once we moved here, I believe it was August we moved here, and I'm like, okay, since we're unpacking, I might as well put up the Christmas tree so that everything looks right? He goes, no. I've asked him like every 2 weeks. And finally, what was it, 2 weeks ago, he goes, I said, November 1st? He goes, it's not even Halloween yet. He goes, November 1st, you can put up the Christmas tree. And it is November 1st. So I am putting up the Christmas decorations. Now, you guys can see the tree behind me. I haven't fluffed it yet. I'm going to do that off camera because I do have a video of showing me fluffing the Christmas tree, which is going to take me about an hour and a half. So, yeah. And I'm going to put the lights on. Now, do you guys want to see me put the lights on? I don't think you want to see me put the lights on. It's kind of tedious. But what I didn't do last year, which some of you guys asked, was like, hey, so how did you decorate your tree? So after I fluff it, I'm going to show you guys how I decorate my tree and the stuff that I use. So I don't think I showed you up close the stuff that I used. You could see the tree, but not what I used. So that is why I'm doing this at the beginning. So let's talk about it. Basically, my bulbs and all that stuff, the majority of the stuff came from Restoration Hardware. I know. Look, I love Restoration Hardware. Can't do anything about it. It is what it is. And they have nice stuff. And Factory Direct. That is where I got my ribbons. And no, I got some of my ribbons, I believe, from Joann Fabrics. Oh, I think I listed it last year. I feel like I'm so scattered. Anyway, let's get into it. So, the bulbs. I wasn't sure about bulbs. Like, do I get 3-inch, 4-inch, 2.5-inch, 2-inch, 1.5-inch? Like, that was all confusing to me. So I just started ordering all type of different stuff. So start out with these. How cute, right? They're beaded, and these are hand-blown crystalline glass ornaments. And I got these in, I believe, red. Obviously, I got it in red. I got it in gold. Did I get it in silver? I don't know if I got it in silver. Did I get it in silver? No, I think that's another gold one. Or is that silver? No, I think that's gold. No, that's silver. This is their silver. So red and silver. Yeah, I got them in red and silver. And I'm mixing these with, I want to put these back in there. As you can see, they are glass, but they're stunning, right? Just stunning to me. I'm mixing them with those were 3-inch bulbs. I'm mixing them with these as well, right? So pretty. These are hand-blown mercury glass ornaments that are onion shaped. And I got these in red and silver. And I think I had some in gold too. I have a lot of boxes down there with ornaments in there. I also got huge ones to kind of sprinkle around. Right? That's beautiful. Do you see the kind of, with the bigger one, you can kind of see the bigger, it looks like crushed glass or something of that nature, but it's really beautiful. And the way the light hits it, I'll show you it in gold as well, in the bigger one. I believe this is the 4-inch, well, 3.5-inch or 4-inch. They're heavy. They are heavy, so I didn't get a whole lot of these. Okay guys, so as you can see, the 4-inch and the 3-inch, it's pretty stark difference. This is heavy, quite heavy. But I wanted to invest in stuff so that I didn't have to repurchase stuff because, oh, these weren't that great, or they don't look as nice, or they're a stand-in or whatever. Then I got these small little ornaments that I didn't put on the tree. I kind of put in as decoration with other stuff. They're called these little mini. They're just like those, except they're minis. And I got them, and they're in different shapes. Just to decorate around the house. I got them in silver, gold, and red. So you see the kind of mini of the onion. Round one. And they're really cute. Now, outside of ornaments, I did get lights. Not sure if I showed you the lights. And as I fluff, I'm going to put my lights on. It's a lot easier for me and from experience from last year. And they have a remote control, and they're you can do battery operated. And you can just plug them in as well. But they're not too bulky, and that's what I really like about it. This time I think I'll leave the lights on, because last time I took them off when I really didn't need to. The way I put them on, I could have just left them right on, which is kind of nice. I also put pine cones on there in different places, which is kind of cute. I made my own topper with ribbon, and also I use this ribbon to decorate the Christmas tree with, and it's just by Celebrate. Nothing fancy or anything of that nature, although you can get fancy ribbon. And I used 1.5 inches of ribbon because our tree is narrow, and I didn't want the ribbon to overtake it. So yeah. And I also used some of these. They're bendable, and just it's really, for me, it was just about adding depth to the tree. That's all. And these berries, they're bendable as well. Again, adding depth to the tree. And I have a lot of these berries, a whole box full. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video.